Coach Peart, tough evening for you, another tough game in the playoffs. Trust me, very hard to take. What's your take on this game?
I think it's a game of extremes. Never started so well, but then went very well for us. So the last 15 minutes of the first half, first 15 minutes of the second half, went 2-0 up, and then it's just one ball that's going wide of the goal, gave them some momentum, 2-1. Then the set pieces, they are always dangerous from. And then it was the second phase of set piece. So ball came in, we defended it pretty well, scored, and then they scored again from an next direct set piece. So it's just something we have to bring more awareness to our team about. We kind of know what our strengths and our weaknesses are. I won't say that we keep that close to us, but it's about real recognition and also just playing right through, because I think when we went 2-0 up, we were actually playing and creating, and then we just went off.
Coach, I mean, this is the third game in the playoffs, and 3 games, no win. Must have been a major concern for you. It's a concern for the fans, for a lot of people.
It should be a concern, because if the points were wiped at the end of the 7 games and we just count the points for the playoffs, we'll be out on 1 point. So obviously it's a concern. But the thing is that, listen, I know what we have. Our players know what they have. And as a team, we'll bounce back.
Coach, I know it's positive to say that.
No, it's the reality. It's just what it is. Until the end, it's that positive, optimistic feeling, and you really and truly know what we have. So we're not gonna beat up ourselves over all of this right now.
How will you take this? How easy or how difficult it is to motivate the youth coming from that 3 games? Knowing you have the second round starting in a few days.
Well, that's it. Like, when we look back, let's approach it from looking back at this as a group of 4, and we played 3 games and didn't win any. Played 3 games and we scored 2 goals. And we conceded 3-1, 4 goals. So it's about looking at that, presenting it to them. Also, it's a very fine line between what can be motivation or what can be detrimental in terms of putting too much pressure on the players. But deep down, if you ask them right now, they know what they have to do. And we know what we have to do, and we are here to guide and support them, and we'll do just that.
Do you think this shave off any confidence going for the title this year?
Confidence from within, no. Confidence outside, can't tell you, but from within, we're solid.
Coach, there must be some concern going to the second round. The last 3 games, they only pick up 1 point. So how can you make it better when it's second round?
Well, to look at it again in perspective, how many teams will you play of the quality of Defeat To Garvey, maceo? So, listen, I think it's just even parity going from here, and we just have to do what we have to do. The concerning part, we can't live on that. Today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a game Saturday.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
All right, coach, all the best for the rest.
Thank you very much, sirs.